In consequence of numerous successful planning tasks, the BSI Ingenieurgesellschaft has been pre-qualified with Deutsche Bahn in the sectors structural engineering and traffic facilities since 2008. Due to its expired service life and the poor condition of the existing structure, the railway bridge needed to be replaced completely. The superstructure of the new bridge has been designed as a two-field steel-concrete-composite construction with an overall length of 69 meters. The abutments were built within a 3-week track shutdown period by the use of a stacked construction of prefabricated reinforced concrete modules. The existing pillar in the midstream could be used further. The prefabricated steel box girder modules were stored laterally and, whilst in this lateral position, the reinforced concrete slab as well as the cantilevered parapets were assembled. The completed superstructure was shifted into its final position during the track shutdown period. The shifting girders with a sliding Teflon layer on the upper surface were mounted on substitute foundations. Within 6 hours, the 600 tons heavy superstructure was shifted laterally 35 meters to its final position. During the track shutdown period, the ballasted track was completed, the rail tracks laid and the railings mounted. The on-time opening for traffic was ensured. This bridge is an excellent example of a functional railway bridge construction that blends harmoniously into a sensitive floodplain landscape.